Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the issue with Roblox. Whenever you launch the game, you got the error and error acquired and Roblox cannot continue expected channel name when using hyphen channel use for empty value. Let's fix it guys. You just need to right click on the Roblox player and select open file location. Now you just need to right click on the Roblox player launcher and select properties. Select the compatibility tab and checkmark run this program as an administrator. Select apply and OK for save changes. Now you just need to close it up here and right click on the start icon and select run. In run window you just need to type percentage temp percentage again. Click on OK. Now in here you just need to search for Roblox. Double click on it. And whatever in here you just need to delete it guys. For that you just need to click on any folder and press in keyboard Ctrl+A, right click on it and delete it. After doing this, close it off here, right click on the start icon and select run. In run window this time you just need to type local app data percentage again, percentage local app data percentage. Click on OK to open up. Now in here you just need to search for Roblox, double click on it. And now double click on the downloads folder. Now whatever in here you just need to delete it and go back to Roblox folder. Now you just need to double click on the local storage and whatever in here you just need to delete it. After doing this, close it off here, launch the Roblox player and check if the problem solved or not. If not, let's move on to the second solution guys. You just need to check my video description for this link used in my video. You just need to click on it and click on allow and click on download now option and download it, Geforce experience. After getting download done, you just need to install the Geforce experience guys. This solution is for Nvidia users and other graphics card user. You just need to download the certain application to update your graphics card. And after installing the Geforce experience, you just need to click on drivers tab over here and select check for updates. If you have any update listed over here, then you just need to update it guys. After updating it, you just need to close stuff here and now launch the game and check if the problem solved or not. If not, let's move on to the next solution guys. You just need to right click on the start icon and select installed apps. In search apps, you just need to search for Roblox. Click on the three dot icon next to it and select uninstall. After getting uninstall done, you just need to check my video description for this download link. Click on the download option and download it. After getting download done, click on it and install it guys. This will help you to fix if you have any kind of corrupted files. Hopefully your issue has been solved guys. After installing it, check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of the solution fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.